Hi, I'm Laura Beltran, and I'm a teacher naturalist at Mass Audubon Arcadia Wildlife Sanctuary. This week's nature mystery object is something that you might find growing in wet areas. And the answer to this week's nature mystery object in your neighborhood is the sensitive fern, the fertile frond of the sensitive fern. Ferns are plants that do not reproduce by flowering, but instead they have spores. And these spores can be on separate fertile fronds like the sensitive fern, or they can be on the back of a frond that looks like the green leafy structure that we're used to seeing to identify ferns. Sensitive fern gets its name because the green infertile fronds die back with the first frost in autumn. It's an easy fern to identify because it has these wavy edges and a broad leaf look about it. These spore-bearing fronds of sensitive fern are eaten by wild turkeys, and the wild turkeys will peck at the spore cases, and then the spore cases will burst open and the spores will spread all over the ground, helping to create new sensitive ferns. I hope that you enjoyed this week's Nature Mystery. See you next week. If you would like more information about how Mass Audubon is protecting the nature of Massachusetts, please go online to massaudubon.org.